concepts are there for operators of large heat pumps, such as public utilities and energy suppliers, for the maintenance of their heat pumps?
The number of heat pump systems is growing very quickly at the moment, which of course also significantly increase the need for maintenance and service. Digital solutions makes maintenance easier. Reliable digital interfaces provides a huge amount of data for heat pump systems. A trained staff can evaluate and monitor remotely heat pump systems, which of course saves a lot of time and service trips. Having a skilled staff is the most important thing for maintenance. In our international training center, the Schaufler Academy, our experts train staff from the industry. For more information, please visit our homepage at bitzer.de/heatpumps.